What's up guys, it's Sumachek here. A lot of people have been using Snapchat these days, and a question comes in their mind, how we can change the map location in Snapchat and influence the users of other areas. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can change the map location in Snapchat, and you can also get views from other areas and also influence the users from other countries. Okay guys, I'm on my Android phone screen right now. Firstly, swipe down from the top and you have to turn on the location button right here. Sometimes it might work without the location button turned on, so just find out which one works for you. Okay, and you have to allow the Snapchat to access the phone location. Okay, I hope you can do that. Okay, now let's launch Snapchat. I'll just show you first where my location is. Now let's go to the map. You can see it's showing me at Singapore. You can see if I press the location button here, you can see it's showing me at Singapore, but I'm not at Singapore. I just picked the location of the Snapchat map. I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do this. Let's go back. You have to download one application called Hola Fake GPS. I have given you the link of that app in the description box, so just download it on your phone and install it. Now go to settings of your phone. Okay, now scroll all the way down on your settings page. Firstly, you have to enable developer options on your phone. If you haven't enabled, I have already enabled the developer options, so you can see it here at the bottom. If you haven't enabled developer options, let's go to the about phone option and then go to the software information, and then you have to find the option here called build number, and then tap on the build number 7 times. Okay, just tap on build number 7 times. After you have tapped on the build number 7 times, let's go back, and then you will see the developer options now at the bottom. Just go to developer options and make sure that is turned on. You can see mine is turned on. Okay, let's go down now, and under the debugging section you have to find here option here, mock location app. Just press on that option and then you will see apps here. Just select the Hola Fake GPS from here. That is the app that you just installed from the description box. Okay, let's go back now. Mock location app is set to Hola Fake GPS. Okay, now close the Snapchat once because we are going to change the location, so it has to be refreshed once. Okay, go to Hola Fake GPS now. Okay, currently my location is fake to Singapore. Okay, just stop this right here, and then you can select from the map by zooming in or zooming out, or you can just search here. Okay, let's search one place. I'll just choose Kansas City. Kansas City. Okay, just press this option here. Now it will directly show you. Okay, just press on go here. Now it has emulated the location. Let's wait for some time, 5-6 seconds, and then let's launch the Snapchat app once again back. Okay, let's launch. Okay, now go to map once again. Okay, now if you press on the location button at the bottom, now you can see showing me at Kansas City. You can see the location of the Snapchat map has been changed. Like this, you can fake the location anywhere. Watching guys, that's the exact and simple way how you can change the map location in Snapchat. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and share it to your friends, relatives and everyone. I'll be coming up with new videos like this very soon. So until next time, peace, bye.